Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the basic and important Java entry question. What is null pointer exception in Java? Explain. Null pointer exception in Java is an unchecked exception defined in java.lang package and comes when a member of an object and either field or method is called on an object which is null. So you have a variable or a method or an object which is pointing to a null. That means nothing. It has no reference at all. Null is a keyword in Java which means nothing, and calling method on an object whose value is null will result in null pointer exception. I want to repeat this. Null is a keyword in Java which means nothing, and calling method on object whose value is null will result in null pointer exception. Since default value of object is null, if you call any method or access any field on an object which is not initialized will throw null pointer exception. Let's see an example so that you can understand. Say I am creating a list of string and I am pointing to null. I am assigning to null. That means this list is not referring to any object. Okay, so I'm passing this list to a different method, okay, here, and in this for loop I'm trying to access the size, and I'm trying to access the first item, so it will be giving an exception. It will be throwing a null pointer exception. Let's debug this and check how exactly it works. So I've started, I'm assigning the list as null, and I'm going to call this method and I'm going to get null pointer exception. It's not a good practice to call catch null pointer exception. We are catching it for demo purpose, we are catching it, but in your application it's not good practice to catch null pointer exception. So list we assigned to null, that's why we are getting a null pointer exception. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.